Teaching your students remotely is made easy with Kami and our integration with Google Classroom. Here's how you get started. First, get the Kami extension from the Chrome Web Store. After adding this, you'll notice the Kami icon in your toolbar. Click on it to head straight to our app, or go to web.kamiapp.com. When signing in, make sure to use your school Google account. Ready to create an assignment? Head over to Google Classroom and select the Classwork tab. From here, you can create a Kami assignment. When the Assign box pops up, fill out the required fields as you normally would. And make sure that you've selected a class. You can attach a file from your computer or from your Google Drive. To have your students work on the assignment individually, select Make a Copy for each student. Alternatively, click Students Share one copy if you want them to collaborate on the same Kami document. If your students are new to Kami, you can send them instructions to help get them started. Once you're done, click the Assign button. With Kami, students have access to a range of interactive tools, which help them complete their work as well as explore and express their ideas creatively, making personalized learning a breeze. And to submit their work, all they have to do is click the Turn In button. To grade their work with Kami, head to Google Classroom and select the assignment. You can check in on work that has not yet been submitted by clicking Assigned, or click Turned In to see all the submissions that have been returned to you. Choose the submitted assignment you wish to grade. When you're in the grading view, be sure to check the Grade with Kami box. Now you can use Kami tools to mark up, grade, and give feedback to your students right there on the document. You can insert text boxes, draw freehand, or even leave voice and video comments. When you're all done, just hit the Return button. Go to our website for more tips and tricks on remote learning with Kami.